Not sure which email is linked to your Nintendo Switch? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to view your Nintendo account details directly from your Switch quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, tap on your user account from the home page. Now, from the left menu, scroll down and tap on User Settings. Here you can see the Check Your Account Information option. Now tap on Check Using This System. Wait until it's complete loading. Then tap on View Email Address. Now a QR code will pop up. Scan it with your mobile number. Scan it with your mobile camera. And tap on the link that shows up on your screen. Now just type your account password and you can access all your account information now. So that's how you can check your account details on the Nintendo Switch. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.